Hello together. Today I want to show you how to activate the LED flash notification on the iPhone 13. Just imagine you are in a restaurant and you're having your iPhone on the back side and somebody's calling you, or you have an important message or something. Wouldn't it be great if you could recognize it without the iPhone just vibrating or making a sound? So this is the possibility you can use when activating the LED flashlight. So this LED flashlight would go up would show a signal so that you have an important message that you should take care of. So if you want to activate this LED flash notification, we have to go to the settings, and then when we are in the settings, we go a little bit down to the accessibility. And then when we are there, we must go a little bit down to audio and visual. When we are at this side, we go straight to the bottom, and there you can see LED flash for alerts. And I can activate this, and you can see there is another second option, flash on silent. Use LED flash for alerts when the ring switch is set to silent. So I can just make it like that if this iPhone 13 is set on silent, only then will the LED flash for alerts will become active, and otherwise it wouldn't be active. So I can just shut it down, so always when somebody perhaps calls me or writes me an important message or something, this LED light will go on. And just to show you how it should look like, I can just show you here. It should be looking like this. So pretty easy and pretty cool in my opinion. And this is what how to turn on the LED flash notification on the iPhone 13. I hope this video helped you a little bit. If yes, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. Help me growing my channel. We'll see us the next time. Bye bye.